Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. We are med students from the third semester. My name is Jorge Luis Pasillas Navarro.
And my name is Andrea Medina Gomez.
I'm so excited to be here today to talk to you about one of the most fundamental and amazing systems of the human body, the skeletal system. Our bones, joints, and cartilage form the support structure of our body, and their function goes far beyond simply keeping us standing.
Through this presentation, we will explore the incredible complexity and versatility of the skeletal system, especially the vertebral column, discovering how it plays an essential role in our mobility, protection of vital organs, and production of blood cells. So, without further ado, let's delve into the fascinating world of the skeletal system.
Now, talk about the vertebral column. When we will talk about the vertebral column, the spine is made of separate bones called vertebrae. They are connected, they run from the base of the skull to the coccyx. The spinal column encloses the spinal cord and the fluid that surrounds it.
The regions. Well, it is composed of 33 vertebrae in 5 regions. The cervical, there are 7. The dorsal, there are 12. The lumbar, there are 5. The sacral, 5. And the coccygeal, 4.
The first topic is column curves. There are four natural curves in the vertebral column: the cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral. A curve can support the weight of the body and provide balance needed for walking.
Now the functions. There are some functions of the vertebral column. They are supports the body weight, protects the spinal cord, provides posture and locomotion, and functions as an axis for the head.
First of all, talk about vertebral cervical. In the vertebral cervical, there are special vertebrae, like the atlas. The atlas is the first cervical vertebra that is abbreviated C1. This vertebra supports the head, and the atlas is a bony ring formed by two lateral muscles joining the front and back by anterior arc and posterior arc. The second one is the axis. The axis, or C2, it is a process similar to a blunt tooth that projects upward. It is also known as the tooth or odontion process. The prominent C7 vertebra. It is also called prominent and is characterized by its long, non-bifurcated spinous process. Furthermore, it differs from the other cervical vertebrae because since the vertebral artery does not pass throughout the transverse foramen, only occasionally does the vertebral vein pass. So, the cervical vertebrae have smaller bones than the other spinal vertebrae. Their function is to contain and protect the spinal cord, support the skull, and allow different movements of the head. And the location is in the curvature of the cervical vertebra.
The vertebrae thoracic. They consist of 12 thoracic vertebrae. They are irregular bones. They increase in size from T1 to T12. They are located in the posterior part between the cervical and lumbar vertebrae and are joined by fibrocartilage intervertebral discs. They are larger than the cervical vertebrae. Body is heart-shaped. Body has costal pits which articulate with the ribs and from the costovertebral joint. Vertebral foramen is circular in shape and smaller than those of the cervical and lumbar vertebrae.
Lumbar vertebrae. This one consists of five vertebrae. There are irregular bones, short, strong, broad, quadrilateral shaped structures. So they are larger than the other vertebrae and have a square spinous process. This causes carrying most of the body weight and related biomechanical stress.
Sacrum. The sacrum is located behind the pelvis. The sacrum is formed by five bones fused into a triangular structure. It is connected of the pelvis from the posterior pelvic wall. It strengthens and establishes the pelvis.
The coccyx. The coccyx is a bone that is flat, triangular in shape. It is the last piece of the spine, and this structure is composed of fused vertebrae, important site of insertion of adjacent muscles and ligaments. This helps maintain the position of the anus. Now, how to take care of your spine? There are 5 points like maintain proper posture. When standing, ensure your shoulders are back, your back is straight, and your weight is evenly distributed on both feet. When sitting, use a chair with lumbar support or place a cushion at the lower back to maintain the natural curve of the spine. When lifting heavy objects, bend your knees instead of your waist and use the muscles in your legs to lift, keeping your back straight.
2. Strengthen your core muscles. Abdominal and lower back muscles are crucial for maintaining spinal stability. Perform exercises like crunches, planks, and core strengthening exercises to keep these muscles strong.
Number 3. Stretch regularly. Incorporate stretching into your daily routine to maintain spinal flexibility and reduce muscle tension. Exercise like spinal stretches, back stretches, and yoga can be beneficial.
4. Manage your weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is important to reduce the pressure on your spine. Excess weight can increase the load on spinal disc and joints, potentially leading to back problems.
Number 5. Avoid a sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle can weaken the muscles in your back and contribute to spinal problems. Strive to maintain a regular level of physical activities such as walking, swimming, or low impact exercise to keep your back healthy.
Well, in conclusion, the vertebral column is so important because it supports the body weight, protects the spinal cord, and provides posture and locomotion and another important functions.
So remember to consult a healthcare professional such as a physiotherapist or chiropractor if you experience persistent back or pains, spinal issues.
They can provide personalized guidance and specific recommendations based on your situation.
Now, so thanks for watching our video, and see you soon.
Bye.